Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why we're on the cusp of a historic moment for altcoins. In fact, altcoins are already making history, so let's dive right into it. In the past, we have to cycle back to 2014 when we were at a resistance here, rejected, altcoin market cap, rejected into a bear market, and then we came back right over here, successfully retested the 2014 highs that rejected altcoin market cap, successfully retested this as a support, and then rallied 27,000% towards the upside, and it rallied like this to new 2017 highs in a period of over a year, 392 days. So 27,000% increase in altcoin market cap in just over a year. And 2017 was a period where we rejected for a very long period of time, 1,100 days, so very similar to the amount of days that it took for altcoin market cap to reject from its 2014 highs into an extensive bear market. Very similar bear market over here to this one. This one was, of course, a little bit longer, but you can just see the similarities here. Rejection from 2014 highs, 1,000-day period of a bear market essentially, successful retest of old all-time highs, 27,000% increase in altcoin market cap, for the process to repeat once again. 2017 highs reject, 1,000-day bear market, followed by a successful retest most recently. And this is really exciting because we're seeing that old all-time highs are now a support. So in 2017, this was the finish line for altcoins and altcoin market cap growth. In 2021, this same level is now the springboard, the starting point. Finish line, starting point. So really exciting because altcoin market cap is on a cusp of a fantastic move up. And in fact, it's been 35 days since we've had this fateful, historic, successful retest for altcoin market cap, and since then, in the month since then, we've seen an increase in altcoin market cap 46%. So that's really interesting because by standards of history, we've seen an increase of 27,000% in just over a year. So if we just really think about it, we still have a lot more ways to go in terms of time and explosiveness of the increase in altcoin market cap. That's why altcoins are making history. And it's fantastic to see because altcoin market cap has been rallying into price discovery because it's not only broken and retested the 2017 highs as a new support, but it's broken the 2021 all-time highs and made new all-time highs yet again. And in fact, it's been, altcoin market cap has been in a period where for the past 5 days, altcoin market cap has just been increasing and setting new all-time highs every single day for the past 5 days. And there's so much more yet to come in terms of time, but also in terms of direction towards the upside. We're going to see altcoin market cap grow and grow and grow over the course of this year, which is absolutely fantastic to see because that means we're going to see an alt season or two this year. And those alt seasons are going to be quite tremendous because altcoin market cap is now positioned for further upside. And truly, the sky is the limit because there is no resistance, there is no top, essentially. This is something I tweet about a lot. There is no top because we're in price discovery, and I know that altcoin market cap is a metric that just compiles all the different market caps of different types of altcoins, whether they're large caps, mid caps, or low caps. But nonetheless, this is a metric that just showcases to us a bullish bias when it comes to altcoins. Investors are getting more greedier in the sense that they want to diversify into riskier assets that are altcoins. They're more than happy to start diversifying into more of these assets. They're more willing to take bigger positions in these assets, which just goes to show that we're in an important period in the market when it comes to the crypto money flow cycle, because it's not just about the cycle of money. We're all very familiar with this concept where we see profit circulation from Bitcoin into large caps, into mid caps and low caps, and the cycle continues. It's not just the profit circulation. It's also about the risk tolerance and the risk profile of investors. People, by cycling their profits from Bitcoin into large caps, well, large caps are smaller cap coins compared to Bitcoin, right? Ethereum is a smaller altcoin in terms of cap size compared to Bitcoin, which just shows that people are circulating these profits into smaller coins which carry greater risk but also a greater prospect of reward. So you're already seeing by this money flow from Bitcoin to large caps, there is a money flow going down but also an increasing risk tolerance, risk preference. People are happier to diversify into more riskier assets for the greater prospect of reward, but also they're happier to take on bigger position size. So essentially, as we see money flow down, 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 you're seeing risk grow up, up, up. People are more happy to take on more risk. They're adopting an increasingly riskier approach to their investing as they go down the money flow cycle. And that just goes to show how the psychology changes here, because people are just getting greedier, 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 and greedier. And the people who are investing in altcoins, smaller and smaller altcoins, are seeing and experiencing FOMO, more and more FOMO, with every time we move into different segments of the money flow cycle. So there is a massive shift in psychology that's already happening. But we're going to see this psychology truly translate into the price action of altcoins going forward as well. We're going to see a tremendous shift in that psychology. And of course, the increases in price and valuations in these altcoins is going to be a direct reflection of that psychology. And the altcoin market cap showcases this perfectly, because there is no reason to be bearish on altcoins. The sky is the limit. It really is a great time to be in the crypto space when it comes to not only Bitcoin, but also altcoins as well. Altcoins are on the cusp of a historic moment, and in fact, they have gone through the door of history already. They've kicked the door open, and the floodgates are opening right now. Altcoin market cap is on the cusp, or actually it's already enjoying fantastic price appreciation, or at least altcoin market cap appreciation. There is so much more growth yet to come, and Ethereum is a very good example of this growth that's really just sitting there, just kind of bubbling at the surface, waiting to explode. And you can see this is the final resistance that Ethereum needs to conquer before we really see that trickling of money into different altcoins. And we have to bear in mind also that this is the market leader for altcoins. Ethereum leads the market when it comes to altcoins, so a breakout into price discovery and new all-time highs will be fantastic for the altcoin market, because, well, this is the leading indicator for altcoins. But we also have to bear in mind that this is the biggest cryptocurrency, the biggest altcoin when it comes to market cap. So if Bitcoin, or at least Ethereum, starts rallying and breaks past this final resistance, you're going to see a massive increase in altcoin market cap. And once you see a massive increase in market cap, altcoin market cap from Ethereum, you're going to start seeing the same thing happen to other altcoins. So just to illustrate on this cycle, Ethereum breaks out to new all-time highs, and then mid caps are going to add on to the rally, and then small caps, as we constantly just build and build on this increase in altcoin market cap. So we're going to see money flow in between different altcoins at various periods in the market, but generally the trajectory is on the up. So it all starts with this breakout beyond there, because of course in the past few days we've seen Ethereum rally 10% already, which is a massive gain for altcoins as a whole. And you can see that the past few days have been fantastic, even though mid caps and low caps haven't been rallying that much. The fact that Ethereum has rallied 10% has left a sizable dent in the altcoin market cap. So massive upside still for not only Ethereum, which is on the cusp of a breakout to new all-time highs, but a massive price discovery for Ethereum will carry weight and make a dent in altcoin market cap. And we're just going to see this sort of building on the uptrend as we cycle through different altcoins in the money flow cycle. And having said that, guys, that's about it for today's video update. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course like this video if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.